Here, we are going to show that tangent of negative z is equal to the negative of tangent z for the trigonometric function tangent for complex number. It means that if we're going to plug in here, negative of z is just equivalent to the negative of tangent of the positive of that z. This is still the same as the identity that we can have in our real number system using theta. The tangent of negative theta is equal to the negative of tangent of theta. Okay, this is under the real number system when we use theta as an angle. But this time, we have here the same form but on complex numbers. So we're going to show using the formula for tangent being e to the power of iz minus e to the power of negative iz over I times e to the power of iz plus e to the power of negative iz. This was tangent. Please don't forget about that. And later on, we're going to show that once we plug in here negative z, it would be the negative of this entire expression. So let's do that step by step. First, let's substitute negative z to all z. So you have e to the power of negative z, ei times negative z minus e to the power of negative I times, negative z all over I times e to the power of I times negative z plus e to the power of negative I times negative z. So hopefully that this could result to that, or the negative of this, because that's the goal, the negative of tangent z. So when we continue, allow me to use the pages here. So the numerator will have e to the power of negative iz, that's I times negative z, minus e to the power, that's negative times negative, so you have positive iz, all over, still I, you will have here e to the power of negative iz plus e to the power of positive iz. Okay, take note that in the form, all expressions with negative of exponent of negative iz are on the second term, similar for the denominator as well. So let me rearrange the terms in the numerator and the grouping on our denominator, where the e to the power of negative iz is the second term. We have here negative e to the power of iz. I'm using this as my first term. This will be my second term, so it's positive. You have plus e to the power of negative iz all over I. As I arrange the denominator, since both of them are positive, so we did not change the signs, simply rearrange them in that order. Okay, now take note that our numerator has a factor of negative. So if I'm going to take out the negative 1 for that, what happens to the first term would be positive, and the second term would be negative. Okay, over still I, and you have e to the power of iz. No need to factor something on the grouping on our denominator. Okay, so finally, you will have your negative of this entire expression, e to the power of iz minus e to the power of negative iz all over I times e to the power of iz plus e to the power of negative that's negative iz. And what is this equivalent to? This one here. This is actually the tangent z in itself. That is why we have shown here that the tangent of negative z, once we plug in that, is just equal to the negative of this, which is tangent of z. So we have shown this identity, specifically odd identity, to be true. Okay? This is now the explanation for this identity. Thank you very much for watching.